This is syrup called Mugolio. Ever heard of it? Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about Mugolio. It is a syrup made from pine cones and it's sweet with incredible aroma. It is usually used in Italy and it will get the same consistency as maple syrup. So you can see I am slowly getting there. It is made by fermenting young green pine cones with sugar. In my case, I am not using pine cones, but I am using cedar cones from the wonderful cedar tree. They are quite huge, so what I did, I mashed them up with a hammer and I made some layers. If you are using small green pine cones, it's easy. You can just mix it with brown sugar and then just put it in the jar, leave it in the one place for a couple of weeks and the fermentation process will take a place. What I do, I try to sort of mix it up every couple of days and also from time to time I open the lid, so I let it sort of burp and yes, once it's all dissolved, what you need to do, you need to heat it up, make sure all the sugar is dissolved and then you just need to strain it. You want to get rid of the pine cones and sometimes you can use also the spruce tips as well when they are nice and green and tender in springtime. I think I will try this with the tips as well. It's a wonderful idea and it's nice and aromatic. The smell is just phenomenal and I never made it. This is actually my first year, so I have way to go. I think this one will be done first, then I just heat it up. This one looking sort of promising and this one is being sort of like lazy, so I see how it goes. And let me know in the comments below if you ever made it or if you are going to try it. And as I said, you can use it instead of maple syrup. You can also reuse the jar, which I'm going to do. And you can drizzle it over pancakes, in yogurt and stuff like that. You can even put it into cocktails for some sweet cake. So this is another white tip for you. I hope you're gonna try it. And I just came across it accidentally. I am in one foraging group and everybody was making Mugolio and I was thinking, oh my gosh, what the hell is Mugolio? And then I just got hooked. So I am there as well and I can't wait to taste it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so. Leave me some comments, share with your friends and family, spread some love, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.